MSU is taking more steps to save the environment by making it easier to keep from adding as many water bottles to landfills.
Their new hydration stations have filtered water for students. News 12's Annie Stensrud tells us how these hydration stations have become a campus sensation.
While some colleges are now banning the sales of bottled water, MSU is taking a different approach to reduce waste. They've installed water bottle fillers on campus.
There's so much waste on campus. We kind of went with more of an eco-friendly decision a couple years ago with the kind of equipment we use in the CSU here, but now we wanted to kind of save on the water bottle waste. Just this station, we just checked, it saved over 52,000 just in the past 6 months or so.
Which works out well since so many people now carry around the metal or plastic water bottles.
I don't know if it's because people don't want to spend money or if it's just because it's that easy to refill it themselves, but it's definitely it's a great thing to see.
What makes these stations different than just, say, a drinking fountain is they keep a tally of the equivalent of how many bottles of water are being saved by their use.
We saw these particular models that weren't just water bottle fillers, but they also had the counter on them, so that when students saw that, they got really got the impact of what their decision was, that they were actually making a difference, bottle by bottle.
And this one at the Centennial Student Union isn't their only one.
And we have another one that we just installed at the start of the fall semester, and there's also other buildings on campus that have these.
And I think the greatest part about this is that it wasn't really publicized, so you can kind of, sometimes you still see students who haven't seen this yet, and it's just kind of like a genuine happiness on their face that they just walk into this and notice it for the first time.
And helping MSU become more eco-friendly one bottle at a time. In Mankato, Annie Stensrud, News 12.
They cost just under $1,500 apiece.
And the CSU gave out water bottles to students to encourage them to use the new machines.